Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita here Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends, thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is when you have a opinion, please express your opinion. Don't follow other people's opinion. When you have a different opinion from other people, you have to express, because when you have a different opinion, when you have a different thought, you have to express and you have to tell other people that if you don't like something, tell them other people. Don't impress other people. Don't feel that other people are hurt by when I say I don't know or I don't like it. So don't feel like that. You have to express your feeling. You should be very open about your feelings. Then only the relationship will live lifelong. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot.